David here with Outfitter Satellite, and on my desk we have a Bivy stick. This is a satellite communication device that allows you to send and receive text messages, to download weather reports, to check in via GPS, and several other features for traveling. Here you see on the bottom the USB connection used for charging and the programmable SOS button that allows you to send emergency text to an emergency service. On the side here is the power button. And then also above that is the programmable check-in button that allows you to hit that button and it will send GPS coordinates to an email or a text that you provide. There's the status light and the signal light that shows you the satellite signal as well. In the box, of course, it comes with extra accessories to go along with it. Here is an adhesive handle that sticks to the back of the device. A little pack here that includes a carabiner, a strap, the USB charging cable, and the GoPro mount. And then this is the lanyard that can be attached to it, and of course a quick start guide is included as well.